that nodality of what it makes you feel when you're going through in the reverence of it. You know, what comes to mind, like when you turn off of that street and hit that gravel road, because it's not until you hit that gravel road.
Yes, it's true.
And that transition, it's like you're transitioning for me into a different realm of time. It's like you're taking a step back and you have this connection, and it feels like the further you get in it, the further you go back.
Yes, you are so right. I mean, I don't know how I can say that any better. It really is a reverence, and that is the word. When you pull in there, you just begin to connect back through generations, I feel like. And the memories come flooding, and then just the history comes flooding in. And it is beautiful. Those live oak trees out there, how many people have sat underneath those live oak trees? You know, how many generations have been involved there? And then whenever there's any work being done to improve things, it's for me, it always just translate into love. It's just like loving on our family history. And it is a beautiful spot. I've always felt like it is just one of the most beautiful places I've ever been. And I don't know, it is a reverence, it's a holy place. And I love it when everyone, when they get done and they sit down and break out the coolers and cool off, you know, you can just know that, I mean, it's like a big family reunion with everyone who's already been there for a few hundred years. It's everybody together, and I love that. It's just such a closeness and connection there, and brings us all together. You know, that is our common denominator for the family is our ancestors that are buried right there. And when we're there with them, we feel closer to each other, I feel like.
Let's do it God's way.